In today's video, we'll talk about the hidden dangers in plastic water bottles. We'll explore the health risks associated with drinking water from plastic, including how harmful chemicals can leach into your water and affect your body. Discover the potential long-term consequences of these chemical exposures. We'll also discuss safer, healthier alternatives for staying hydrated. Learn about simple lifestyle changes you can make for better overall health. Plastic bottles contain chemicals like BPA and pH phthalates. When exposed to heat, these chemicals mix with the water you drink. They can affect your hormones, leading to problems like weight gain, mood swings, and even fertility issues. The worst part? You can't see or taste these chemicals, but they are there. Many plastic bottles contain BPA, which acts like estrogen in the body. This can lead to irregular periods, PCOS, thyroid issues, and weight gain. It also affects men's testosterone levels. Even if a bottle says BPA free, it may still have other harmful chemicals. Studies show that chemicals in plastic affect fertility in both men and women. They lower sperm count and increase the risk of pregnancy complications. Many couples struggle with infertility, not knowing that their plastic water bottle may be one reason. Plastic contains toxins that have been linked to cancers, especially breast and prostate cancer. When you store water in plastic for too long, these chemicals leach into it. Over time, regular exposure increases your cancer risk. A simple way to protect yourself is to stop using plastic and switch to safer materials. Your immune system protects you from diseases, but the chemicals in plastic bottles can weaken it. When these chemicals enter your body, they cause inflammation and make you more likely to fall sick. To keep your immune system strong, avoid plastic and drink from healthier bottles. Plastic contains obesogens, chemicals that slow down your metabolism and cause weight gain. These chemicals make it harder for your body to burn fat, even with exercise. If you have been struggling with weight loss, reducing plastic exposure may help. The thyroid controls your energy levels and metabolism, but the toxins in plastic interfere with its function. This can lead to fatigue, hair fall, and difficulty losing weight. If you have thyroid issues, avoiding plastic is one of the best things you can do. The toxins in plastic cause oxidative stress, which leads to wrinkles, dull skin, and early aging. These chemicals damage your cells over time, making you look older than you are. Want glowing, youthful skin? Start by ditching plastic bottles today. Your gut health is important for digestion and immunity, but microplastics from bottles enter your stomach and disturb gut bacteria. This can cause bloating, acidity, and digestive problems. Plastic toxins can interfere with brain function. They cause mood swings, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. If you often feel tired, forgetful, or irritable, plastic exposure may be a hidden reason. Removing plastic from your daily life can help your mind stay sharp and focused. The kidneys filter toxins from your body. But when you drink water with plastic chemicals, they put extra stress on your kidneys. Over time, this can lead to kidney problems. To protect your kidneys, drink pure water from safe, natural bottles. When plastic bottles are exposed to heat, they release even more harmful chemicals. Leaving a plastic bottle in the car or near sunlight makes it highly toxic. Stainless steel bottles are strong, durable, and can last for years without breaking. They do not react with water, so no harmful chemicals mix into your drink. These bottles keep your water cold in summer and warm in winter. Unlike plastic, steel bottles do not develop bad odors over time. Using a steel bottle is a smart choice for both health and sustainability. Copper bottles naturally purify water by killing bacteria and viruses. Drinking from a copper bottle can boost immunity, improve digestion, and support healthy skin. Copper-rich water helps balance the body's pH levels and supports brain function. Storing water in a copper bottle overnight allows the minerals to infuse, making it even more beneficial. A copper bottle is an ancient, Ayurvedic way to stay healthy while avoiding plastic. Clay bottles keep water naturally cool without the need for refrigeration. They add essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which support bone and heart health. The alkaline nature of clay balances acidity in the body and improves digestion. Drinking water from a clay bottle also enhances metabolism and keeps you hydrated longer. Plus, clay bottles are 100% natural, biodegradable, and eco-friendly. Glass bottles block harmful UV rays, keeping your water fresh and free from bacteria. Unlike plastic, glass does not release harmful chemicals, making it a safe option for drinking water. It also retains the natural taste of water without adding any odor. Glass is easy to clean and reusable, reducing plastic waste. Plastic bottles release harmful chemicals into the water you drink. These chemicals disrupt hormones, digestion, and brain function. Long-term exposure can lead to weight gain, thyroid issues, and even cancer. When plastic is exposed to heat, it becomes even more dangerous. Safer alternatives include glass, stainless steel, copper, and clay bottles. Switching to these options can protect your health and the environment. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Making small changes can lead to a big impact on your health. Switching from plastic to safer alternatives protects your body from harmful chemicals. Choose glass, stainless steel, copper, or clay for a healthier lifestyle. Stay mindful of what you drink from, and your body will thank you. See you in the next video with more simple and effective health-related videos.